everyone, it's John and welcome to Jam Life.
It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Be who you are.
Hi everyone, today on Jam Life Tech Talk, I wanted to make a short video on how to take off the side door of a GoPro and then put it back on. The reason to do this would be to gain access to the charge port on the side of the camera so you can keep it connected to power when shooting for extended periods. For example, during a time lapse. As you can see here, I'm removing the outer case to reveal the camera itself. When you have the camera out of its case, locate the side door and press the small button while sliding the door downwards until it opens. Once you have the door open, gently pull away and the door is off. Now when you put the outer case back on, you can see you have access to the power connections. The process seemed all simple enough for me the first time until I tried to put the door back on. No matter what I did, I couldn't get the thing back on. It was really frustrating. Then I realized this little part on the side of the door, you push it up, revealing a clip, and then you can easily attach that clip to the pin, push down and up, and the door is then closed. I hope this video was helpful. Lots of Jam Life videos to come, tech and otherwise, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, if you really enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Yeah.